It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Acadia SLT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and power folding mirrors, a programmable memory seat, 2 auto express windows and the child lock button, power liftgate button down below, and it also comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the heads-up display button and the information tab. Power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior with white stitching, and a power sunroof up above. All-weather floor mats on the floor. Telescopic steering. Next, I'll climb in. We'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. This here is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, OnStar, and the sunglass storage compartment. GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's a touch screen equipped with navigation, and it also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Far left has our engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins, no slip matting, auto stop start, traction control, hazard lights, park assist, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. At the front of the Acadia, we've got the black grille surround and bumper, LED headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, blacked out Acadia and SLT badging, roof rails up top. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, the rear window wiper, and we've got the power liftgate. We're going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to pop the liftgate open. In the trunk, we've got plenty of cargo storage space. The third row seats are currently folded down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. We've got a rear sunroof. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the top of the seat to engage the slide technology. The third row has 2 additional seats, cup holders on either side, and a USB plug-in. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Acadia SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.